Let's talk now about the hotel manager, HM, assistant general manager, AGM, or director of operations, DOP, three titles more or less for the same position. A hotel generally has a hotel manager when the general manager also holds a more regional position such as area general manager, meaning oversee several hotels. In this case, the general manager may often be absent from the hotel and the hotel manager acts as the general manager in his absence. The hotel manager is a high-ranking executive who is often responsible for managing the day-to-day operations of the entire hotel, including as well Department of Human Resources, Finance, Sales, and Revenue Management. When the general manager doesn't have additional responsibilities, the second in command is typically referred to as the assistant general manager or director of operations. Contrary to the hotel manager, the director of operations focuses only on the departments such as front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, security, engineering, spa, but does not really involve in finance, human resources, and sales. In the next video, we'll review the position of director of rooms.